back and off on another trip, this time to Portugal. It's Thursday morning and we're about to head to the airport, so we'll see you there. Alright, we're here in Lisbon, walking around the city centre and having the best time. The Portuguese tarts are amazing and absolutely everywhere. The architecture here is incredible and we had the best tapas for late lunch. We're now gonna look for somewhere to have dinner. Good morning in Lisbon. We're off to Sintra this morning to check out some castles and the little town that is there. It's about 24 kilometers out of Lisbon. We're gonna catch the train. Last night had the best dinner. I had the locally caught groper and it was amazing. The fish was so nice. But yeah, looking forward to another amazing day. Just made it up to the castle on the hill in our little yellow Jeep. The driver's been the best and the Jeep is made here in Sintra. The factory closed about 20 years ago. Gonna have a look around the castle and then head back to Lisbon in a few hours. We have made it to the top of the Penna Palace and it's just amazing. It's red, yellow and also got tiled parts as well. Right on.